Hi, my name is Dennis and today I'll talk about this Hisense washing machine. Here are the essentials. Washing capacity is 8 kilos of dry laundry and a spin speed is 1,400 RPM or revolutions per minute. You know the logic, the higher the spin RPM on the washing machine, the faster the drum turns, the bigger the force, the more moisture is squeezed out, and the drier the clothes are at the end of the cycle. Because of the powerful brushless motor called the Durable Inverter Motor, this washing machine is extremely efficient and provides better cleaning effects, saves energy, and produces less noise. Also important, this is a washing machine with the A energy rating, which is the best energy rating you can get. You save energy and money, all while helping to protect the environment as well. Besides the standard washing programs, we all know and love them, like shirts, cotton white, color, and mix. This Hisense washing machine offers some extra special programs and functions, like Allergy Steam, an excellent program that got approved by Intertech for removing up to 99.9% of bacteria. The Allergy Steam program washes clothes at 60 degrees, and after the wash cycle is finished, an additional 20 minutes of steam treatment kicks in. Steam is released into the washer from the bottom of the drum, completely covering the garments. Because of its higher temperature, steam eliminates close to all bacteria. Not only does it eliminate allergens such as dust mites and pet dander, it also almost completely disinfects laundry. It also makes it fluffier and wrinkle-free, so almost no ironing is required. Allergy Steam is just one out of 6 available programs on this model that use the steam function at the end. Others are Baby Care, Pets, Shirts, Cotton White, and Drum Clean. So the Baby Care program is a special program for baby clothes, including linens, cloth diapers, and blankets. It runs on a higher temperature followed by several rinses to make sure it completely removes any detergent and its residue. The Pets program was designed for pet owners to keep their pet blankets, dog clothes, and similar items clean. The Down program is perfect for down-filled pillows, duvets, and jackets as it works at low temperatures and with a gentle spinning rate. This way, all the items keep their original shape without lumps, which can be a real nightmare. You know how doing laundry is always a hassle, especially because of long wash cycles? Now Hisense has a solution. It's called a quicker wash function, which cuts down the washing time on every single program. This means it shortens every single program available, so it can now be much shorter. For example, the Power Wash program, made for smaller loads of lightly soiled laundry, it usually takes just under an hour. But if you activate the quicker wash, it takes the time down just to 32 minutes. The Cotton White program can go from 3 hours down to just 2. You get the point, right? Another great time-related program is the Quick 20 Minutes, which is perfect for a quick wash of jeans or just a few t-shirts. There's also a service called the Hygiene Guard, which is basically pre-wash with a special disinfectant, but with a special super hygiene insert in the pre-wash compartment that carefully manages the dosing of the disinfectant into the drum, so distribution is always optimal. Smart, huh? Forgotten socks? You know about these, right? How you always find 2 socks and a pair of underwear just after you started the wash? Well, no problem anymore, thanks to a special pause and add solution. This highly convenient solution allows you to simply pause the washing process and quickly add clothes to your load or remove unwanted items from it. Don't forget to clean your washing machine by regularly running the Drum Clean program. This will keep your drum pristine and the performance at the top of its game. Oh, and one more thing. This washing machine is made entirely in Slovenia, in Europe, and it's built to last. Thanks for watching.